Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 435D M Sport Convertible in black sapphire metallic. This is a very well spec vehicle and we'll be sure to show you some of the specifications on this vehicle. As you can see, the exterior is very nicely finished with the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as the eye-catching 666 competition style alloys that are 20-inch variant of those. Sitting just behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brake. And on this convertible we have got the full M Sport Plus package alongside some very nice other options. At the front you can see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, as well as that very nice black sapphire metallic paint shining through there. Down the side we've just opted to go for the gloss black sidebars on this vehicle, which match of course nicely with the BMW gloss black air breathers. As I approach the vehicle, of course, we've got the roof down already, showing that off to you. You can see the full black Dakota leather with M highlights. Again, another thing on approaching the vehicle, we've got the comfort access package on this car. So I walk up to the vehicle, it'll unlock for me by simply placing my hand on the door handle, as long as I've got the key in my pocket or somewhere about my person. Really clean and tidy interior on this vehicle. It does also come with the convertible comfort package. So with that we do get the air collar, heated seats and a heated M Sport steering wheel, something we'll show to you in a bit more detail in just a few seconds. Round into the rear there you can see a very nice clean and tidy Isofix rear bench. However, hidden behind there you will see the wind deflector. This is of course placed in situ just in these neat little holes in above the back seats. This is of course designed to stop a little bit of that wind turbulence that can be experienced at higher speeds, and of course being that this is a twin turbo 3-litre engine, you certainly can experience high speeds should you choose to. Round at the back we've got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a matching rear diffuser. And of course boot space is always talked about when looking at a convertible vehicle. And of course we've got the metal folded roof in there at the moment. BMW give you this little nifty switch. Press this forward and then all of the metal folded roof will come out of its storage tray to give you access to your full boot space, which for a convertible is certainly one of the largest in the class. And there you can see that goes all the way to the back of the rear seats and is a clean tidy area, and then we simply close that down and then reverse the button and that'll fold everything nice and neatly away. Really nifty feature, yet a very useful one. With that all folded nice and neatly back away, we'll close the boot lid down and move round to the driver's side, and again you can see there it's an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle. And in just a second I shall jump into the car and get it started. We shall of course begin by showing you how quick and easy the roof is to activate on the 4 Series. However, there is also some other very special features inside the car. We've got power folding mirrors, we've also got the wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen. Just in front of the roof activation switch is the switch for the air collar, so this will give you a nice warm draft of air coming through these vents here. All we have to do is simply push the switch forward, then the roof will begin to activate, and that can be used at speeds of 15 miles an hour. So of course you can use it when you're on mobile. The vehicle has covered just over 41,000 miles. Again, does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, of course working very nicely with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. And in a moment we're going to get a little audible noise to tell us that the roof movement has been completed. There it is, and that's now done. We shall go through and show you the basic features of that wide screen. There you can see the sat-nav, really user-friendly system, also utilises real-time traffic updates. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and of course USB. Down here is the dual climate controls along with the switches for our heated seats. And whilst you take a look around there, I'm going to jump through and show you the service requirements and service history screen. As you can see there, it's got 2 recorded services from BMW, totaling up to, of course, bring you to full BMW service history. So there is a look around this fantastically high-spec 435D M Sport Convertible. I do, of course, hope you've enjoyed the walk around. Now you can see what the vehicle looks like with the roof fully closed. Whether the roof be up or down on these cars, they do make a magnificent sight and an even better drive. So there you go. Thank you very much. Do, of course, take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.